Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to install HappyMod on my iPhone. Yes, on iOS, and yes, it's actually working. Now, if you've looked into HappyMod before, you probably know it's usually only available for Android devices. Most people think it's just not possible to get it on iOS, but I'm here to show you that it is totally doable. I've gone through the whole process myself, and it works. Just take a look at my screen right now. I've got HappyMod fully installed and running on the latest version of iOS. No jailbreak and no complicated steps. It's honestly kind of insane that this even works. And what's even better is that it gives you access to a bunch of modified apps, the kind of stuff you'd normally never find on the App Store. So if you've been wondering whether you can get HappyMod on your iPhone, the answer is yes. And in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Just make sure to watch all the way through and don't skip anything. One small mistake and it might not work, so follow exactly what I do, and you'll have it up and running in no time. If this helps you out, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let others know it worked for you too. Alright, let's jump in and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for HappyMod and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.